Successful people know that there is always a better future and that you have a part to play in that future. You know, the future is not something that you get. The future is something that you create. Peter Drucker once said, the best way to guarantee the future is to create it. In order to create something, you need a plan. But you know, people build their houses better than they build their lives, because with the houses, they at least have an architectural plan. People drive their cars better than they drive their lives, because at least they have a clear-cut GPS destination and alternative routes. You are invited to a session where you can get the architectural plan for your life and where you can get the GPS for your life, the goals, priorities, and scheduling. That you know exactly what I'm aiming at and you have an exact plan to execute that. So follow the links provided. You're invited to a one-day session, which I call the Get a Life session, where you actually get the plan to create your life. The difference between life coaching and sports coaching is sports coaching, you only have implementation. You know what B is. You know B is the cup, B is the medal. But in life, people have uncertainty, and this is why people are drifting. And if you're drifting, you're not reaching your destination. But in this session, you will get a crystal clear implementation goal. In life coaching, it is about clarification, crystallization, and only then implementation. Come to the session, one-day session, or spread over 7 weeks if you want to do it online. And you are invited to a Get a Life session where you get the architectural plan for your life and the GPS to guide your life.